Good morning, Brian. Here is your full-fledged 539S sitting on my flathead. Testing and adjustment have gone well. No leaks. Everything's looking good. Let's look down inside. See, she's nice and dry down in there. All right, let's fire it up. There you go. If your timing is as good as mine, that's how it'll start. Look down inside again. No drip. Looking good. Alrighty, let's look at some numbers. Idle RPM right now is about 69700. Looking good. Fuel pressure 2.75. Almost 3. That's good. Vacuum 23. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? All right, let's pull her through. Pardon my hand. All right, sir. Yes, sir. And the numbers come right back. Looking good. Okay, Brian. Thank you.